Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset password in XM app. Forgetting your password can help in any time, especially if you don't log in regularly. In the XM app, resetting your password is a simple and secure process designed to protect your account by using your registered email. And you can quickly create a new password and regain access to your trading account without losing any data or the funds. And first, open any of the web browser you prefer. In the top, there's an address bar. Type down xm.com and enter it. And over here, you can simply click onto this login in the top right corner here, and you'll get into this new page. Over here you can type down your email address, and if you have forgotten your password, in order to reset it, you can click onto this forgot your password under this login screen. Type down your email here, and after that you can click into this reset here. After that, your request will be submitted and you need to open a Gmail account. So here you can get this XM password reset. Simply what you can do is you can click onto this to proceed with resetting your password here, and after that you need to enter your new password and your password confirmation as well, and make sure your password have all these requirements. After that you can click into this reset, and that is it. Now after that you can open a password, and now I've just resetted a password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.